All right, guys. So I wasn't ready to do a video today, but this intrigued me so much. I got to find out what's all the hoopla. Okay. So this is really interesting. I'll show you the ingredients and you're going to go, "What?" Yeah. This is called Swedish egg coffee. I can have eggs on my eating plan. I can have coffee on my eating plan. I just want to thank the sponsor, Profile by Sanford. That is my eating plan. So there are certain things I can and cannot have. A lot of keto dishes I can have because the eating plan isn't considered like a keto type diet, but it is no sugar, like no low carbs. So you through products you get a carb here, a carb there, but they've got my eating plan down to a science, and I'm only allowed to. I think first 2 days I lost like 10 pounds in the first 2 days. It was great, but I expect there'll be some tough times. Anyway, come on in close and I'll show you what this involves, and you're gonna go, "What?" Yeah, that's what I did. That's why I'm here. That's why I don't even have my show shirt on. I just turned the camera on. I got inspired to try this out and see what it's like. So I thought we'd do a video and I'd share it with you, okay? Okay, guys, the recipe I read said Swedish egg coffee. My friend called it Norwegian egg coffee. I don't know the exact term. We'll talk about it later. But right now, it's going to be a lot of water. It's going to be about 9 cups of water. This isn't all the water we're going to use. We'll fill this up another time. It's going to be your coffee and the egg, the whole egg. I don't mean just the egg. I mean the shell. We're putting the shell in too. That's what intrigued me. So you think, oh, the shell might have salmonella on the outside. You might want to clean your egg. Well, it's going to be in boiling water, so the shell, it'll disinfect anything that's already in there. And then you need a strainer, okay? And a coffee cup. And I think that's it. So let's get this started. All right, first thing you're going to do, crack the egg. Felt like a hard-boiled egg. Just crack it. Just crush the whole thing. Put it all in there. That's the first thing you're going to do. Next thing you're going to do is mix it up. It's going to look like a kind of a brownie base. There we go. It's going to look like kind of like brownie batter potting soil. It's going to have specks of the shell in there and everything. That's what blew me away. I'm like, what? That's weird. Okay, so now set this down. Go fill a pot up with 9 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. All right, guys. So let me put my fork in to clean it first. Here we go. Get the crap off the fork. There we go. Put the fork over there. All right, there's the batter. And dunk it in there. Let it sit in there, pour it out. Dunk it in there. Let it sit there, pour it out. There we go. Got it out. Okay. So there you go. Boil it for 3 minutes. Okay, guys, it's been 3 minutes. Turn it off. Let's check it out. Now it tells you to take a cup of cold water and pour it in there. It's going to clump everything together, so it's easier for straining. Kind of weird. Pour it in there, and so I put a cup of cold water in there. We'll see what happens. Okay, guys, so I'm going to use this cup to strain it. So let's move this over a little bit closer. I'm pouring everything through. All right, so let's take this right now and pour it into a cup. pouring a full cup in case it's good. All right, so the thought the thought crossed my mind. I've looked this recipe up, and a lot of people have the recipe for Swedish egg coffee, but what if this is a joke? What if I'm going to taste this and it's a total joke? I found it on Pinterest. It sounds interesting. The person didn't sound like she was kidding. I read her whole article, and she said she absolutely loved it. So I'm going to give it a try right now. Here we go. Wow. Smooth. That's really good. Really creamy. I put a splash of sugar-free milk in there, but just to lighten it up a little bit. But overall, the flavors. Boy, I sure hope this ain't a joke, because it's on me. I'll have egg in my face. Get it? No, just kidding. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty good. So I don't know why it has that creamy texture, but it does. Called Swedish egg coffee. Who knows? Maybe it is a joke. I don't know, but there's a few people that have tried it and liked it. So I tried it. It's fine. I don't have to worry about anything being unhealthy because it boiled away anything that might have been on the outside of the eggshell. It boiled away pretty much everything. The heat, just by boiling it, totally, sanitizes it. So anyway, so there it is. Swedish egg coffee. Give it a try if you feel daring. It's also a good coffee ground. So anyway, I love you guys, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.